All right, girls. Today we're going to play a game called Girl, Bear, Truck. All right? And what we're going to be doing when we do this is we're going to be working on our reading being smooth, right, and at a good pace. We don't want to sound like robots and we don't want to say the wrong words. Okay? So we're going to be reading things 3 times. The first time we're going to read it slow, like the girl. The second time we're going to read it a little faster and smoother, like the bear. And then the third time we're going to go as fast as a truck, okay? We're going to do some together and then we'll do some on our own. All right, let's take a look. All right, ladies, let's read this one slow like a girl and get our tappers ready. Here we go. Nice. And now let's read it again a little bit faster. Let's blend right through it. And now as fast as a truck. Can you just say the whole word? Nice. Now I'm going to change just one sound. So I'm keeping this part here and I'm changing the first sound. Does anyone think they can read that fast like a truck? Go ahead. Oh my gosh, you are reading like trucks. I'm going to change just the first sound again. Very nice. And now I'm going to change that middle sound. Nice job. So you guys on these type of words, you girls were able to move all the way to reading like a truck. Let me add another sound and see how you do. Hmm. This is not a real word. It's a make-believe word. Let's try this one nice and slow. Is that a real word? No, but you took your time like the girl and read it slow, and I heard you do each sound. Nice job. So now that we practice some together, I'm going to have you practice some on your own. Go ahead, ladies. I want each of these little dots represents a sound. On. Yeah. So the dots are the sounds, and then if you see a heart down below, it means there might be a tricky part you might need some help with. And that mom. Top. Not. Top. Nice job. Two things you read like the girl, bear, truck. You read like the truck too. Go ahead and try these words. Go. It. Good. I'm going to stop you right there. Do you feel like your reading is going like the girl, the bear, or the truck? Truck. The truck. Awesome. So let's go back to the truck on this one. When we know all the sounds, we want to go right into saying the whole word. Can you say that whole word without tapping the sound? On. Oh my gosh, that's like a truck. Good job. Can you truck this one? Don. At. Sat. Mom. Tom. Not. Now that's like a truck, Sophia. So even though the taps are there, if you can read the whole word, you don't need to tap it, okay? And let's read these words that have some tricky parts. You have different words on your lists. Is, the, and I. And Sophia? And the I is. Awesome. On the mom, not, dot, and Tom. Okay, now this whole sentence is where we really want to get a little smoother each time. So to help us with that, I'm going to draw some scoops for you. Listen to me do it. Dad sat on the cat. Why do you do the big one? Because the bigger the scoop, the more words together and the smoother it sounds. Listen to me do this sentence like a girl. Dad sat on the cat. Does that sound good? No. Let me do it like a bear. Dad sat on the cat. No. Little better, right? Yeah, now let me try it like this. This is the way I scooped it. Dad sat on the cat. That's the best, right? That's a little bit faster, so I think the bear. The bear was good. And do you notice what's at the end of the sentence? It's called an exclamation point. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, so what do we have to do with our voice when we read it?
a little bit louder.
Yeah. So listen to me try. Dad sat on the cat. Can you believe it? He sat on the cat.
Yeah.
Let me hear you read it.
Dad sat on the cat.
You sounded like a truck. Great job. Sophia, let's look at yours. Can I hear you read it? And we'll decide if it sounded...
Mom nods at Dot and Tom.
Which one do you think you give yourself?
Truck.
You think truck? All right, do it again. Let me hear it again.
Mom nods at Dot and Tom.
Mom nods at Dot and at Tom. What does that look like if Mom nods at Dot and Tom? Do you know what it looks like to nod at someone? This. She's nodding.
Is that mean like you're saying yes or no?
It could be, or you could just be saying hello. Like in the hallways, we have to nod at someone if we can't say hi. It's a quiet way of saying hello and nod.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
great job.